In this video, I show you how to fix this is taking a while. Try checking your internet connection on Facebook Reels. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store. Then search on Facebook. Up to date your Facebook app if available any update version. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Manage space. Then delete. Now click on permission. Allow all permission one by one. Now click on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then allow background data. Now open Facebook app. Now I hope that this method fix this is taking a while. Try checking your internet connection problem on Facebook Reels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.